This is Rock. I wouldn't think that cell, the cell function, would be worth mentioning except for two items in it. So we're just going to focus on those. If you look at cell and you start to type it, it asks for one of many info types that you can add. The ones that I think are important or useful are address and then file name. So here's what cell address does. It gives you E3 there. And then cell file name, close that, gives you that. These are very handy to use as you're using concatenate to build information about the sheet that you're on or the cell that you're in or references that you want to use, especially in building indirect references. I bring these up because I use these two things in future videos, and I wanted to make sure that there was a reference video that you could come back to and say, how do you use the cell function? These are the only two I'll be using, cell address and cell file name. That's it. That's cell. Next we'll talk about hyperlink. See you there.